Good morning students, welcome to OnlineTyari. Let's see top 10 multiple choice questions of today. Let's move to the first question. First question, name the state government which has recently announced a complete ban on tobacco and pan masala products in the state. The options are option A Odisha, option B Tamil Nadu, option C Rajasthan and option D West Bengal. The correct answer is option C Rajasthan. Okay. So, the state government of Rajasthan has imposed a complete ban on all types of tobacco and pan masala products, including storage, advertising and sale. So, storage, advertising, sale, nothing is allowed. Okay. Earlier, two states, Maharashtra and Bihar, okay, Maharashtra and Bihar had imposed similar type of ban on tobacco and pan masala products, right. Let us move on to the second question. Question number 2. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has released a commemorative coin worth dash on Mahatma Gandhi's 150th birth anniversary. So, the question is asking what is the worth of the coin which has been released on Mahatma Gandhi's 150th birth anniversary. Let us see the options. Option A rupees 100, option B rupees 50, option C rupees 150 and option D rupees 200. So, the right answer, if you know the right answer, please comment below. So, the right answer for this is option C rupees 150. So, this coin was released as a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, as all of us know that 2019 is 150th birth anniversary year of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Now, let us move on to the third question. Third question, from the statements given below, choose which of the following is or are correct with respect to the station's cleanliness survey report. Let us see the statements. Statement number 1, top 3 cleanest railway stations are Jaipur, Jodhpur and Vijayawada. Statement 2, Andheri, Virar and Naigaon railway stations were the top 3 among 109 suburban stations. Okay, let us see the options. Option A, only 1. So, it is saying that only first statement is right. Option B, only 2. Option C, both 1 and 2 and option D, none of the above. Which is the right option? The right option is only 2, which is option B. According to the survey report, okay, the total score given to each station is out of 1000, okay, and each component, that is process evaluation, direct observation and citizen feedback were given equal weightage of 33.33%. Okay. So, the top 3 cleanest railway stations are, according to the survey, are Jaipur, Jodhpur and Durgapur. Top 3 cleanest railway zones according to the survey are Northwestern Railway Zone, followed by Southeast Central Railway Zone and East Central Railway Zone. Let us move to the fourth one. Fourth question, who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank? Options, option A Sunil Mehta, option B Sushil Chandra Mishra, option C Sunil Mishra, option D SS Mallikarjun Rao. So, the correct option is option D SS Mallikarjuna Rao. So, he has been appointed as MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank and he has replaced Sunil Mehta. Now, next question. Which of the following statements about China's DF41 are incorrect? Okay. So, we have to see which are the statements which are incorrect. Statement 1, DF41 stands for Donsfeng 41. Statement 2, DF41 is touted to be the most powerful intercontinental. Statement 2, DF41 is touted to be the most powerful intercontinental range ballistic missile on the planet. Let us see the options. Option A, only 1. Option B, only 2. Option C, both. Option C is both 1 and 2. And option D, all are correct. Let us see the right answer. The correct answer for this is Only one, that is option A. China has unveiled the Dongfeng 41, an intercontinental range ballistic missile which has been touted to be the most potent missile on the planet. So, DF-41 has a range of 9320 miles, right. Let us move on to the sixth question. Which country has released a stamp to honor Mahatma Gandhi on his 150th birth anniversary? Options given are A. USA, B. Palestine, C. Mauritius and D. South Africa. So, the correct answer is option B. Palestine. To commemorate Mahatma Gandhi's 150th birth anniversary, countries like Turkey, Palestine and Uzbekistan have released stamps. Okay. Next question. Which bank has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Indian Army for customized services? Okay. Let us see the options. Option A, State Bank of India. Option B, Canara Bank. Option C, Bank of Baroda. And option D, Punjab National Bank. If you know the answer, please comment below with your option code. Let us move on to the right answer. The right answer is option C, Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda has signed an MOU with Indian Army, under which the Bank of Baroda has signed an MOU with Indian Army, in which the bank will be offering customized services like free personal accident insurance cover, free air accident insurance cover, etc. of rupees 15 lakh to 50 lakh. Okay. And also bank is offering an overdraft facility up to 3 times of the monthly net salary of the officers, right. So, this is about the 7th question. Let us move on to the 8th one. 8th question. Who is the author of the book India and the Netherlands, Past, Present and Future? Let us see the options. Options are Willem Alexander, option B, Saurabh Kumar, option C, Martin van den Berg, option D, Venu Rajamoni. So, the right answer to this question is option D, Venu Rajamoni. So, Indian ambassador to Netherlands, Venu Rajamoni. So, this also gives you an important information that Venu Rajamoni is Indian ambassador to Netherlands. Okay. Indian ambassador to Netherlands, he has released his book title India and the Netherlands, Past and Present, and the book gives an insight into the cross-cultural legacy between India and Netherlands. So, it draws information about the link between India and Netherlands through past to the present, right. Let us move on to the next question. 9th question reads, name the state that was awarded the Best Learning and Sharing Space Award 2019. Let us see the options. The options are A. Mizoram, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Kerala, D. Maharashtra. Let us see the right answer. Right answer for this question is Jammu and Kashmir. The state of Jammu and Kashmir has been awarded the Best Learning and Sharing Space Award 2019 as it had covered 60% of the beneficiary families with regard to Golden Card, in which it provided health insurance of rupees 5 lakh to poor and needy families in less than 6 months, okay, in less than 6 months of its implementation. So, this is the explanation for this question. Now, let us see the 10th one. 10th question, what is the theme of the 11th Defence Expo that is scheduled to be held for the first time in Lucknow in the year 2020? Okay. Let us see the options. Option A, India, the emerging defence manufacturing hub. Option B, India, emerging case for the defence. Option C, India, connecting the defence community with insight, intelligence and opportunities. Option D, India, the case for the defence innovation. If you know the right answer, please comment below with your option. Yes, the right option is option A, India, the emerging defence manufacturing hub. The 11th Defence Expo is scheduled to be held for the first time in Lucknow between 5th and 8th of February 2020. This exhibition will show Indian defence industry's capabilities and promote its export potential. So, the theme of 11th Defence Expo is India, the emerging defence manufacturing hub. So, students, meet you again tomorrow at the same time with 10 most important multiple choice questions. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, signing off, Anjali.